Morning, Cliff. Just a quick one on how to do this Facebook thing. First job is go to Facebook and navigate to your page. You may have to switch, click on this icon up here and switch into your page as personality. Like I've switched from there's my personal profile, and now I'm managing it as my page, and I'm at my page, hence the URL. So then go to manage. And then you should get like a sidebar down here. And if you scroll down, you should see page access. Click that. And then there's two options here. And I think, because they're constantly fiddling with this, it's different to the last time I even looked at it. I would probably try that one. And then say next. And then search for me by my email address, which is this. And then I should pop up because I'm one of your friends, and then you can select me and give me the relative permissions. I would search for you, but couldn't think of any email address off the top of my head for this video. So that's how you do it, and then I can just go through and just check everything over, make sure everything on the Facebook page is as good as it can be, and give it a little bit of SEO love on the Facebook page. That's how to do it, Cliff. I hope that was clear. Cheers.